Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my hydraulics system, automated and manually. And so far I have been mainly focusing on the automated part, which kind of works now, but what I want to do now is focusing on the manual part, because there are some issues with it that I'm not satisfied with. One thing is the combination or the connection between these two systems. This is one system, this is one system, and this is basically one system, because this propeller is driven by the switch via the controller, obviously. But I always have to manually force it to work, and I want to end that, but I'm not quite sure how. So let's focus on that. So what's going wrong? What's going on? First of all, let's center on this part of the situation. This piston is connected to this piston. So right now this one should be full of water. It is actually full of air, so it needs to be refilled, but in theory this one in fully extended position drives this one in fully not extended position, fully inward, driving the water here up, activating the switch, and this LED shows that it indeed is activated. And then this one should run, but as you can see on screen right here, the program is not running right now, but that's the situation as it should be. So first I have to refill this piston and then see if this part will work out. And even right now, with the current situation, I can't barely move it, so I really need to fill this in. Let's get some demineralized water. And then this is the not entirely finished reconstruction of the manual part of the hydraulic system. I still have to figure out one or two things, and I hope it will be ready for show at the convention. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Click the bell for notification and give the video a like. You can watch the full-length video if you become a paying member via Ko-fi and via Patreon. Please see the link below. If you already are a paying member, thank you very much for your support. And you can instantly support via Ko-fi and via PayPal. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.